Part 7, Internal Affairs and Police Misconduct. What happens in your city when a police officer is accused of police misconduct? First, I just want to throw it out there. When we complain about police brutality, the first thing the police officers say is, we receive very few complaints about our police officers. And that is because people like you and I often come in contact with problematic police officers and we never file a complaint. And our lack of voicing our complaints leads to them bragging about the lack of complaints. And I would encourage all of you, every single time you come in contact with a problematic police officer, that you document the name, the badge number, the plate number, the date and the time, and the police agency that that police officer came from, and file a complaint immediately with the police department. Now let's talk about police misconduct. In the movies and on TV, we see internal affairs as the bad guy to police officers. They're always investigating police officers, firing police officers. That is not the case. Internal affairs typically does not even have the ability to fire a police officer or to even recommend that a police officer be fired. Internal affairs typically will conduct an investigation. They will get witness statements from the police officer and other people involved in the complaint. They will submit a file folder to the chief of police, and the file folder will not even make a recommendation as to disciplinary actions for that police officer. Internal affairs just gives them the file of the witness statements and the full investigation, and then it is on the chief of police to make decisions as to the termination of the police officer or any disciplinary action that may occur for that police officer. And again, this is not the case in every city, and this is why you must ask questions. You need to find out what powers your city's internal affairs department has. Do they have termination power? Because in the majority of cities, they do not. In the next video, I will touch on civilian review boards.